Welcome back. Some forts in Goa have been neglected. One of the forts is at Headland Sada in Vasco. It has been the demand of locals since long to beautify the fort for tourist attraction. Surprisingly, local MLA and Minister Milind Naik is not aware under whose jurisdiction is the fort area, but has a will to develop the forts.
Have a look at the scenic beauty. This area comes under Headland Sada in Vasco. Here's the fort. Locals from the area say this fort was constructed during Portuguese regime.
हिंगा काय बरो बरो स्पॉट आसलो सारको सकयल वचपाक वाट आले आतां पळय जाल्यार सगळे घुसपटान उडयलेले आनी हायवेन हे सायडीची माती काडल्या आनी हाडून हिंगा डंप केल्या आनी सकयल वचपाक पासून वाट ना आतां.
The fort is in a dilapidated state since the Portuguese left Goa 62 years ago. Since then, the fort has been neglected.
झरीबद्दल किल्ल्याबद्दल जे सांगला तेनी की पयली ज्या झरीर वचून न्हाताले लोक आनी उदक पिवंक घरा कडेन हाडटाले ते आयज आतां दिश्टी पडना.
People have demanded their local minister to maintain the fort for tourist attraction.
पण परिस्थिती अशी आसा की थंय वचपाक थंय वाट ना आनी थंय वचपाक कोणाक मेळना कित्याक तर किल्ल्यार एक पोर्तुगीज आसा म्हणजे आमी कितें तरी एक बरें ब्युटिशन करूं तशेंच आमी आमचे पावर मिनिस्टर सांगलेलें आसा की आमकां थंय डेव्हलपमेंट करून दिवची म्हणून.
The local MLA and minister has plans to develop the area for tourists, but is unaware in whose jurisdiction is the fort area.
MPT ऑफिसाकडे आहा त्याचे सर्वेनसून सर्वे करपाक कित्याक ती एरिया किल्ल्याची डिमार्केट करचे अशें दिसलें आमकां कारण तेचेर कोणाचें तें म्हाका खबर ना पण म्हाका दिसपाक लागला की कोणाचें तरी एनकरेजमेंट आहा.
People claim different governments in the state promise of maintaining the fort, but none have fulfilled their promises. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
All Saints' Day was celebrated in Goa on 1st November. This is to celebrate the martyrdom of the known and unknown saints. 2nd November is marked as All Souls' Day. All the faithful prayed at the shrines for their beloved departed souls. It's the time to honor the saints and pray for the departed who are yet to reach the gates of heaven.
All the people who have relations and family in the cemetery, they come tonight to put candles, put flowers, dress the grave.
Now this evening, on the first evening, we come to the graveyard and we remember our loved ones and relatives who have died some time back, and we decorate the graves with flowers and with candles. And it's a time and opportunity for all of us to meet here and to remember our loved ones and the contributions they have made towards our lives.
Rohit Sharma provided fireworks on Diwali Day. Rohit Sharma slammed a spectacular 209 runs during India vs Australia ODI played at Bangalore. He has become the third Indian to hit a double century in a one-day international after Sehwag and Sachin. Rohit Sharma's swashbuckling 209 in 158 balls consisted of 14 boundaries and 16 sixes, which is also a record. Rohit Sharma's knock has helped India to put up a total of 383 runs against Australia.
Will clear the man inside the circle for four. That's good shot. That's pitched further up, and it's gone way back into the crowd.
Shot. Has he got enough on this? Oh, yes, he has. Goes again. Fancies another place in the stands, and he finds it.
This time over mid-wicket, and the same result.
Oh, that's huge. You could just tell from the sound the moment it left bat. Driven beautifully through the covers. He goes inside out, and what a way to bring up 200 in one-day internationals. They call him Hitman.
Yes, getting a 200 in ODI format is a wonderful feeling. When I went on to bat, I never thought I would get 200, but the idea was to stay on the wicket. We know it's a small ground. Runs are easy to come by once you are in. So I just wanted to stay in and capitalize on the later part.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
Tumi Porita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.